हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। दिस इज़ JARRAR। आप देख रहे हैं DLR ट्रेन कैनरी वॉर्फ स्टेशन के पास। अगर आप निकलते हैं तो आपको ये शिप नुमा बिल्डिंग नज़र आती है और साथ ही साथ आपको एक सुरंग नुमा ये रास्ता नज़र आता है। इसको भी हम देखेंगे ये क्या है। और देयर इज़ ए मॉन्यूमेंट। दिस मॉन्यूमेंट इज़ ब्यूटीफुल। आई डोंट नो द डिटेल्स अबाउट इट, बट इफ़ यू गो दिस वे देयर इज़ अ स्टेशन, Canary Wharf station. And here we will move the camera, see the buildings, so high-rise buildings. So if you come out of One Canada Square, and just in front of that there is Crossrail Palace. Let's go inside and see and explore. So beautiful, colorful. Looks so nice, amazing. So you can see it's long, a kind of tunnel. We spend roughly a couple of minutes while crossing it. So दूसरी तरफ क्या है ये हमें नहीं मालूम. We will see it together. So here we are at the end. Now we have a view. Before a minute I started from those stairs. We have crossed this tunnel. Beautiful. Here is the view once again. DLR train. This building is shaped like a ship, so that's why there is water outside. See? I don't know whether I can go there and film. I don't know. Access to roof gardens. So let's explore this building. So now we came inside that tunnel because we wanted to go to roof garden. And the doors are automatic. So we're gonna explore the roof garden. So let's call the lift. Nice one, all my street door. Contours, mine's to offer. Quay side, street level, and roof gardens. Now we're gonna go towards roof gardens. So just let me close the door and roof gardens. So let's see how it looks when you reach at the roof gardens. First let's have that same look, same side view. The door gets open. Wow, it's green. This side there is this nothing, but this side is green. Let's explore the garden. Very nice experience of garden which is upstairs. Of course it's artificial garden. Normally we see gardens at the floor, but this time this garden is upstairs. So we will explore its beauty. You should go from that side or this side. Okay, we will have. But first let's explore the garden and then we will see how it works. Oh, very nice. यहाँ पे आकर आपको लग नहीं रहा होगा कि हम किसी बिल्डिंग की छत पर हैं, क्योंकि बिल्कुल आपको लग रहा होगा जैसे बिल्कुल ज़मीन पे तो गार्डन होता है. ओके, सो हम इसको एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, इसमें क्या कुछ है. सिंपली ब्यूटीफुल. और ये गार्डन ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसमें बारिश हो तो आपको फील होती है, क्योंकि इसमें ऊपर सारा रूफ़ ढका हुआ है, और अगर इसमें बारिश हो, तूफ़ान हो, आंधी हो, आपको कुछ फील नहीं होता. और आपको यहाँ से एक और व्यू दिखाता हूँ. कैनरी वॉर्फ की वन ऑफ द आइकॉनिक बिल्डिंग्स में से है HSBC. ये टावर आप बहुत दूर से देख सकते हैं, एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द फेमस टावर्स ऑफ दिस एरिया. So there is some let's capture some other views from here and then I'll close my vlog. Just a small vlog, short vlog for you guys. Pergola on the Wharf. Go downstairs from here. Beautiful. Alright, इस vlog के इस part को मैं यहीं पे बंद करूँगा. And if in case we find some other place which is the good one, obviously I'll try to add it. And तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching and keep seeing what's coming next. I think after this garden, let me take you down I don't know what's special there, but maybe there is something. There you go. The view. Food and drink this way. So अभी हम बाहर आ चुके हैं, यहाँ से व्यू भी देख लें और यहाँ से ये व्यू भी देख लें। अब हम इस एरिया को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। इस बिल्डिंग की शेप बाहर से बहुत प्यारी है, इसका गार्डन भी बहुत प्यारा है और अगर आप डाइनिंग स्पेशली क्लबिंग या इस तरह की कुजीन्स का शौक़ रखते हैं तो यू विल लव दिस प्लेस। और ये देखें हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स और हम विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस एरिया। It's beautiful, it's clean, it's neat. The weather is good. I was seeing the weather and thunderstorm was expected. This morning I was thinking I should cancel this plan because of the weather, but luckily the weather is good now. It's so pleasant. Excuse me. In fact, it's more sunny than I was expecting it. You should see some of the buildings here. Some of the buildings are under construction. See clouds moving. We will cross the road from here. This is how it works. Signal is red and we are waiting it to be green before we move. इस एरिया की एक और बिल्डिंग है, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। BGC देखिए बड़ी प्यारी। And the signal is green now. Let's go further. Jubilee Place. And Waitrose Food, Fashion and Home. This is Canada Square, E14. And the next signal is luckily open. So we're gonna go. That's State Street, one of the famous buildings. And Jubilee Place is that way. So some of the buildings are still under construction. Hope so they will be ready by the time you come here and explore this place, explore this area. where we should go, left or right. See the flight. There's Canary Wharf station. And it looks like a play area. Let me pause the video for some time. This is Canary Wharf station. The weather is windy now, and as I was telling you that thunderstorm was expected today, which didn't happen actually, but now it looks like it's on its way. I've been here before many times, not recently but a few years back, and when I was working in Dil Se Radio, that time I used to come this area and I had explored this area much. There was a bridge somewhere here. I hope we would see that. I'm trying to see that. This is a monument. Nice design. There was a bridge which was very beautiful, and I think I would capture it before I end this vlog. So here we have arrived at the side where there is water, and this is where I was telling you that there was a bridge. I hope so we will see that bridge as well. Beautiful weather. Though it's not that sunny now, but it's still beautiful. Ship. And that is the bridge I was telling you guys. Let me have a glimpse of the bridge from here. You can also see the shard at the background. Heathrow City Airport, not Heathrow, sorry, London City Airport is just nearby this area. That's why you can see the planes taking off from here and landing. So I can hear the sound of plane. Let's explore where is that. कभी कभी जब आप लंदन में रहते हैं और अगर आपका कोई डे ऑफ हो लकीली और आपके पास टाइम हो जो कि नॉर्मली लोगों के पास नहीं होता, तो आप इस एरिया में आ सकते हो. बहुत पीसफुल जगह है, आप अकेले आ सकते हो, यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हो, आप रिलैक्स हो सकते हो, यहाँ पर आके मेंटली रिलैक्स हो सकते हो. फिज़िकली आप फिज़िकली अगर आप कोई एक्सरसाइज करना चाहते हो, आप यहाँ पे जॉगिंग करना चाहते हो, तो आप वो कर सकते हो. श्योर इस ब्रिज पे भी कोई बॉलीवुड मूवी शूट हुई है या नहीं, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट मच कीन इनटू मूवीज़, सो मुझे पता नहीं है, अगर आपको कोई आइडिया है तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो कमेंट्स में कि आपने इस ब्रिज को किसी मूवी में देखा है या नहीं। जो मिलेनियम ब्रिज है उसमें तो बहुत सारी जो है वीडियोस गानों की शूट हुई है, यश चोपड़ा और इस तरह की, लेकिन इस ब्रिज के बारे में मुझे मालूम नहीं है। इस ब्रिज का नाम क्या है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा जब थोड़ी देर के बाद उसके करीब जाऊंगा तो। और पानी में भी बड़ी बड़ी लहरें उठ रही हैं क्योंकि हवाएं तेज़ चलने लगी हैं, और जैसा कि आज थंडर स्टॉर्म एक्सपेक्टेड था तो that might happen soon. Let me capture a bird which is looking very stylish in the water. I don't know which bird is that. लगता है कि परवास के लिए पर तोले जा रहे हैं। ट्रेन की आवाज़ सुनाई दी है और वो वहाँ से गुजर चुकी है। हम आपको थोड़ा सा फर्दर ब्रिज की तरफ लेके जाते हैं। Now we are closer to that bridge. It's an area for clubbing, for dining, for cuisine, food or drink. Let's go. The other side of the bridge, which we're going to cross now. को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. We're crossing the bridge. Bridge structure is nice. We captured the train from the bridge. So thank you so much for watching this short vlog. It's all about Canary Wharf. Today I'm at Canary Wharf, just exploring the local shops and cuisine and markets and shopping centers. So thank you so much for watching the vlog, and thank you so much for feedback, your comments and everything. See you later on for some other new vlog. Till then, have a good time, look after yourself, look after your health, look after your parents, look after your friends and family. Eat well, sleep well, and stay well. Although I am not very active nowadays in social media, but I have something excited coming soon from my side, especially for you guys. See you sometimes for another vlog. Take care. Bye bye.